继续来看台积电的董事长魏铁嘉，美东时间3月初3，伫北京甲美国的总统川普来开记者会，宣布讲台积电要加码投资美国美金1000亿。川普虽然无予台湾明确的安全保障，也毋过川普讲，这晶片若伫美国制造，台积电就会当免除25%以上的关税。
美国总统川普、台积电董事长魏铁嘉，佮商务部长罗德尼克，当地时间3号，伫咧北京召开记者会，宣布台积电会放宽对美国投资。
I want to thank President Trump again for his support. In addition, I also want to thank my customers in the U.S., such as Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, Qualcomm, Broadcom. They all support TSMC's manufacturing in the U.S. Without their support, we probably cannot make it through.
大声感谢美国支持了后，魏铁嘉宣布，加上原本台积电伫咧亚利桑那州650亿美金的投资，会搁另外投资1000亿美金，和台积电伫咧美国投资总金额来到1650亿美金，超过掉4亿台票。
$100 billion in new investment will go into building 5 cutting-edge fabrication facilities in the great state that we just discussed, Arizona, and will create thousands of jobs, many thousands of jobs, and high-paying jobs in total.
台积电扩大投资内容，包括起3座新晶圆厂、2座先进封装设施，各一间主要研发团队中心，是美国史上规模上大的单项外国直接投资案。现场的媒体就问到台积電省能若刷到美國，安尼中共敢就較袂拍台灣，造成晶片供應連總斷掉。
I can't say minimize. That would be a catastrophic event, obviously. But it will at least give us a position where we have, in this very, very important business, we would have a very big part of it in the United States. So it would have a big impact if something should happen with Taiwan.
陈茂讲，台湾伫咧晶片生产有独占的地位，台积電擴大對美國投資，關係到美國的經濟和國家安全問題。啊，若選擇伫咧美國生產，咪當避免扣25%以上的關稅。針對台積電對美國投資案，咱台灣駐美代表處講，真歡喜看到台積電等等企業繼續擴大對美國投資，進一步加強雙方供應鏈合作，和經貿關係更加密切。
Hello， 我是庄慧琪。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。